tutorial on that video because a lot people don't understand how to do it. So please enjoy. Watch till the end because they're a tip how to make it better. The important two things. Look at the character's playlist and who taked it. Because some people are using already voiced characters and voicing it. Like for me, it's rude. So please look at playlists before putting your voice. If you choose character, don't forget to voice it. Don't be shy about your voice. Some bad peoples are only jealous and try and make you fall down onto dirt. You have bad grammar. Nothing wrong. You can always fix it if you want. You think your voice is not beautiful. Don't think about it. It's beautiful. No matter what. Now you know the important things in voice acting. Let's start. First you need to choose free character to voice it. This time I take Evil Jocks for example.
Coach Dictator here.
First thing, you need to highlight the moment where character will say his, her, them, etc. words. You need for your sure listen over and over to understand the start and the end. After this, listen what words character says and start record the voice. Repeat what they say. Press here, just press to remove other buttons.
Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm Evil Jax.
Hi guys, I'm Evil Jax. Hi guys, I'm Evil Jax.
Evil Slam according to duty.